What is it, Jack?
Just has hiccups. I think you cured them.
Oh.
Never mind. Wishful thinking. And some back support. There we go. Look at the camera. You'd rather not.
Oh. Did you wave to the camera? Oh.
Poor Shock. How many hiccups? Are they cured? Nope. I know you want to eat some more, but we can't eat while you're hiccuping.
Oh.
Poor Chuck. Oh my. That's a very serious face, but it's a face of patience. Oh.
Oh.
Maybe a back rub will help.
Looks like you're choking him.
It does, doesn't it?
He's like, what?